How to change payment card on Amazon. If you want to change your payment card on Amazon, just open up your browser and go to amazon.com and log into your account. Tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side, and from your account go to the option See All. When you're here, scroll down to the option that says Payment and select Your Payments and just tap on it. Then when you go to your payments, just scroll down, and here to change your payment method, you have to add another payment method. So tap on add payment method. Once you've added a new payment method, then you can go ahead and remove the older one. So this way you'll be able to change your payment card on Amazon. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.